Your character is introduced in episode 4, and we see that she comes to the States as a nanny. What else can you tell me about your character and a little bit about your journey?
Okay, so besides the nanny thing, and she comes in episode 4, she speaks French, already knows that. There's not much more I can tell you, but since it's American French, obviously her journey is not going to be easy. She has a lot of inner turmoil, and she gets into situations where she really needs to find strength within her, just like a lot of us. You know, you think that you can't handle things, but when you're put in front of it, at some point, you kind of realize, like, yeah, maybe I can. So we'll see if she can or not. But she goes through a lot.
And Gabrielle doesn't have any support system in the U.S., right? She's here alone. So it's like you can't turn to anybody, and it does seem like something big is coming. What was it like to work with Lili Taylor? Because she seems great.
Oh my God. I always say that, but it's the truth. Like, working with people like Lili Taylor, it's like you went to Yale. You know what I mean? And it's like you're not in plastic notes about acting and practicing. You just, all you gotta do is watch them and react to them and observe them. Like, I learned so much in the few months that I shot with them. It's phenomenal. Like, I don't even know if there's a word stronger than grateful, but I'm so grateful for that. And they're also generous in, like, the way they do things, you know, their process, and they're all ready to help you out or doing little things to get something out of you. Even Tim Hutton, you know, like, my first introduction to Tim Hutton wasn't even, oh hey, Mikhail, this is Tim Hutton. It was action, and then he showed up in front of my face, like right here. I felt like I got Tim Hutton, you know? I had never met him before, and it was my first time meeting him, and it was my the first time that my character was meeting him, so it was perfect. So I guess they do little things like that, and it's amazing. You learn a lot.
So I don't know if you can answer this question, but is there anything you did to prepare for this role? Any research you did? Anyone you talked to? Anything like that?
Well, I was, when I first talked to Sonae, she wrote my first episode. Automatically, when she told me about the what was going on inside of Gabrielle emotionally, it triggered a lot of things in me. A lot of stuff came back up, so I cried right away on my way back to my house, and I hadn't even started shooting yet. So at that moment, I knew exactly what I had to dig back up, and I used a lot of music. For the hard scenes, the emotional scenes, you would see me on set with headphones, and each scene had a song or a couple of songs. And the crew on American Crime is absolutely amazing. There was one day when I had a really emotional scene, and I had a particular song, Britney Spears of all people, okay? And I would listen to that song all the time, and I'm in my zone, and so I go in the room where I'm supposed to do the scene, and I say, oh, can I told the director, can I listen to music on my phone behind me? And he goes, well, I don't know, you know, sound that might bother them. And he was like, just do it, just for one take. I said, yeah, just one take. He was like, just do it. So I'm looking for somewhere to put my phone, and the sound people, Misty, the boom girl, she was amazing. She said, well, you know, we have Bluetooth. If you want, we can play the music in the entire room for you. I was like, stop. So they're very, it's like a family. Like, they support you. You have a hard scene to do. The music was playing in the entire room for me. And then I was looking for a place to put my dad's picture. He's still alive, but I love him so much, he makes me emotional. And I'm like looking for a place to put my phone with the picture, and the DP, Ramsey, amazing as well, he goes, where do you want the phone? Where do you want the phone? I'll put it wherever you want. The camera was right in front of me, and I said, right here. Then 3 people come with duct tape, you know, like duct taping my phone to the camera. Like, it's like everybody's there with you to make it happen, so you can do the best job you can. So it's not just me, you know, it's everybody.
Yeah, that sounds like an amazing experience.
Yeah, no, they're amazing.